Address by the President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind, at the convocation ceremony of Anna University. 5 seconds. Comments. Even the number of the students has drastically increased over the years. What is more encouraging is that this university has been witnessing gender empowerment through education, and it shows in the number of women students at this university. I am told that more than 1 lakh candidates at undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD levels are receiving degrees today, of which about 45% are women. It was a bigger pleasure for me to know that out of total students being conferred with gold medals and first class degrees today, more than 60% are women. I am told that out of 66 students being conferred gold medals, 42 are our daughters, and further, out of 13 students I just gave gold medals to, I noticed 9 are girls. This shows the lead being taken by our daughters in our society. This excellence displayed by women is a reflection of the future of India as a developed nation. I congratulate each one of these daughters for this accomplishment, which is just a stepping stone on the path of further progress, both academic and personal. Anna University has created a conducive ambience for encouraging technological pursuits that cultivates the right learning attitude for the young students. The scientific temper that is nurtured in the students is well expressed in the projects and achievements of this university. I am glad to note that this is the first Indian university to design, develop, and operate a satellite in association with ISRO. Named ANUSAT, the satellite is not just an achievement but also an inspiration for young minds across the globe to open up and reach for the stars. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to come to Anna University as my esteemed predecessors, Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was also an alumnus of this university. The government of Tamil Nadu has done well to have instituted an award named after him. This university has produced icons like Dr. Verghese Kurian, who literally engineered a great social transformation through milk cooperatives. As the driving force behind the White Revolution, Dr. Kurian will always be remembered as one of the foremost social entrepreneurs of modern India. Such illustrious alumni of this university remain sources of inspiration not only for all of you but also for all students everywhere. We in India believe in promoting knowledge for the benefit of all. I am reminded of the great poet Subramanya Bharati, who wrote, "Our country India is blessed with complete knowledge. It is this place where resides the compassion of Gautam Buddha. It is this compassion combined with knowledge that helps a nation march ahead on the path of progress while promoting a culture of caring." I am confident that all the students receiving degrees today will walk this path in their life ahead and make their alma mater and our country proud. My young friends today are on the threshold of beginning a new journey. Some of you would be pursuing higher studies, while others may take up professional responsibilities. But always remember that it is your deeds that will reflect your personality. Always try to give back to your family, society, and country which have nurtured you in the most significant phase of your life. I am sure that you will never step back from putting in your best. I extend my best wishes to the students. I also congratulate their families who have worked hard to bring each one of them thus far in their journey of life. I also appreciate the faculty and administration on this occasion for their contribution. Thank you. Jai Hind.